Chapter 2. Animal World. The world of animals is variable on this planet. They can be seen in deserts, cold places, water and sky. Animals can live almost in all the places. We know that environment is the surroundings in which the animals live and grow. But to suit the conditions of the place where they live, animals have to adapt themselves according to it. Due to these adaptations, they differ from each other in having different habitats, breathing habits, feeding habits, special body coverings, different types of movement, etc. Let us study about them in detail. Habitat. A habitat is a place where an animal is found naturally. It provides the animal with food, air, water, and shelter. There are two main habitats on the earth: land habitat, which includes forest, desert, polar region, and mountain, and water habitat, which includes ocean and fresh water. Fact 5. The majority of animal species can be found on terrestrial habitat. Land habitat. The animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Lion, dog, and horse are some examples. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Some examples are fish and octopus. Animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Examples are frog, toad, and salamander. Animals that can fly are called aerial animals. Birds and insects are aerial animals. Animals that live mostly on trees are called arboreal animals. Some examples are monkey, squirrel, and koala bear. Forest. A forest is a large area covered densely with trees and other vegetation. Many animals like lion, tiger, deer, and monkey live in forests. Animals living in forests have different homes. For example, lion lives in den, tiger and bear live in caves, monkeys and birds live on trees, and snakes and rabbits live in burrows. Small insects and other animals are also found in forests. A large variety of animals are found in forests. Desert. Desert is a very dry and sandy region. It receives very less rainfall. The climate in it is very hot during the day and very cold at night. The animals living in it have developed special features to withstand its conditions. Some animals remain inside their burrows to escape the heat during the daytime. Many animals can store food and water for many days inside their body. Animals have developed thick skin to avoid loss of water due to sweat. Examples of animals living in desert are camel, scorpion, and hedgehog. A camel can live without food and water for a long time. It has stored fat in its hump, which it uses whenever food is required. It has long legs, which keep it away from the heat of the sand. It has long eyelashes to protect its eyes from the sand. It has padded feet, which help it to protect from the heat of the sand and move easily on it. Fact 5. The scientific name for an animal that lives in a desert is xerocol. Desert animals generally have a light, sandy color. This color helps reflect sunlight and minimizes the absorption of heat. Polar regions and mountains. Our Earth has two polar regions, Arctic region at the North Pole and Antarctica at the South Pole. Polar regions are very cold regions and are always covered with snow and ice. Thus, animals living there have developed certain features to escape this cold. For example, the animals found in polar region have thick fur to protect them from cold. Also, they have a thick layer of fat called blubber beneath their fur to keep their body warm. Most of the animals live in groups to avoid the cold. Mountains also have similar conditions, so animals have the same adaptations there also. Examples of animals found in the polar region are penguin, polar bear, seal, and walrus. Water habitat. There are two water habitats where aquatic animals are found: ocean and fresh water. Oceans. An ocean is a large continuous body of salt water. It is the largest habitat in the world. It covers almost 2/3 of the Earth's surface. There are 5 oceans in the world: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Antarctic Ocean. A large variety of fish and animals are found in it. Some examples of creatures living in the ocean are whale, jellyfish, octopus, and seahorse. Freshwater. Freshwater habitats are naturally occurring water bodies on the Earth's surface. They contain minimal amount of dissolved salts in them. Examples of freshwater bodies are rivers, ponds, lakes, streams, etc. Many animals, including fish, are found in them. For example, amphibians like frog, duck, salamander, and crocodile are found in fresh water, as they can live both on land and in water. Adaptations in animals. As we know that different habitats have different climatic conditions, all these conditions do not favor the survival of all animals. So the animals living in these areas have developed certain features which enable them to survive in these places. The process of developing these features by an individual to improve its chances of survival in a specific environment is called adaptation. The animals that adapt to their environment survive, while the rest become extinct. Animals are classified into different categories on the basis of adaptations of body coverings, feeding habits, and organs for breathing and movement. Body coverings. Animals have different body coverings according to the type of habitat they live in. Let us study some of them. Feathers. The body of birds is covered with feathers. They help them in maintaining their body temperature by keeping them warm and protecting them from moisture. They also help them to fly. Birds have 3 types of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. Fact file. The weight of a bird's feathers is more than that of its skeleton. Fur. Animals like yak, sheep, and polar bear have fur, thick covering of hair on their body. It helps them to protect against cold and rain. Scales. Animals like fish have a layer of flexible overlapping scales. Some reptiles have scales which have horny structure. They prevent water loss from the body and also protect the underlying skin. Snakes also have scales. Shell. Animals like turtle, tortoise, and snails have shell as their outer body covering. It is very hard and protects their soft body. These animals withdraw their head and feet inside their shell whenever they sense any danger. Hair. Most mammals have hair on their bodies to protect and keep them warm. Camouflage. Some animals like Arctic fox, zebra, frog, chameleon, polar bear, white tiger, etc. have patterns on their body which help them to easily blend with the surroundings, thus saving them from their enemies. The body color of such animals gets mixed with the surroundings and they easily trick their enemies by confusing them. This is known as camouflaging. A chameleon changes its color according to its surroundings. Fact file. Poto camouflages with its surroundings to look part of a tree's stump. Feeding habits. All animals need food to carry out their life processes. Without food, they cannot live. Do you think all animals eat the same kind of food? The answer is no. If that would have happened, then all the food available would have been over. Different animals eat different kinds of food to maintain a balance in nature. To eat different types of food, animals have different adaptations in their body parts. Herbivores. Herbivores or herbivorous animals are those animals that eat only plants. They have sharp front teeth, incisors for biting, and strong back teeth, premolars and molars for grinding. Cow, goat, horse, and sheep are examples of herbivores. Smaller herbivores like rabbits, rats, and squirrels have long, sharp front teeth and they chew constantly their food. Carnivores. Carnivores or carnivorous animals are the animals that eat the flesh of other animals. They have sharp and pointed front teeth, canines, to tear the flesh and strong back teeth, molars, to chew flesh and bones. Tigers, hyenas, cat, etc. are the examples of carnivores. Eagles and vultures are called birds of prey. They have sharp hooked beaks for tearing the flesh and have sharp claws to catch their prey. Omnivores. Omnivores or omnivorous animals are the animals that eat plants as well as the flesh of other animals. Crow, bear, and human beings are the examples of omnivores.